welcome back to another video. I am Joe Mar.
I am Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place where you guys come to get the best and most interesting sports discussions on the internet.
Yeah, so another one of our weekly shows. Manning Cup Roundup. We're doing a roundup of the third week of Manning Cup.
Third week.
Yeah, so now we know all the teams that qualified, we know all the results, we know everything about the first round.
But wait, we're going to give them a video. We're going to give them
we're going to do all of that.
We're going to give them an in-depth first
The
round
predictions,
video.
we're going to do it all in the next video.
For sure.
Yeah, so first of all, we're going to break down the groups. So, run through
As per usual.
Yeah,
we always do this every single
updates.
week. Alright, so Group A, after starting out slowly, and I might have said some negative stuff about them, Jamaica College went on a run.
That's why you know that your prediction never comes true like this. Here? So you go for a Calabar here. Go on. Go on.
JC started out a bit poorly, you know. The first two games are drawn a loss, and I wrote them off. In my first video, I said that JC would not have enough time to.
Yeah, but we'll get it wrong. We can hold our hands up and say we got that one wrong.
So JC finished on a flurry, 4 straight wins, finishing atop their zone. And Kingston College ending with a loss. Kingston Technical, sorry, ending with a loss. Yes, so KT was on a very good run and giving up their win streak to Calabar in the very last game of their first round season. However, finishing second in their
Still
zone.
qualified.
Great performance by KT, finishing the zone with 12 points. And tied on 12 points, but low on goal difference, is Charlie Smith. That would be at the fate of other schools to see if they get the best third place. And then to round out that zone, Zone A, Calabar in 4th. I predicted Calabar to go through. I was obviously proven wrong. St. George is in 5th. You know,
I can't win from St. George's College.
St. George's College finishing with minus 13 in goal difference.
Poor campaign.
Yeah, we have to talk about the 7. You know? We spoke about the 6, we have to talk about the 7.
And last week, I said that St. George's College wasn't out of it as yet. And they weren't, but they lost that game to Calabar.
Yeah.
And that took them out. You know, had they won that game, they would be right in it with a shout.
And Bridgeport and Kingston High finished rounding out the zone with 4 points each. As it relates to that zone, I think Calabar were very hard done by. You know,
It's a good team.
yeah, they outplayed Jamaica College, didn't manage to win.
Second best goal difference in the group.
Missed a lot of opportunities.
Yeah.
They didn't manage to win the JC game.
And they won that game.
And then Kingston High, the goal that scored against them was a goal from half line. That was a clearance by the defender. You know, I saw Kerry Hamilton today, and you know, I was speaking to him a bit, and he was just like, unfortunate. You know, it was just unfortunate. So that's how the cookie crumbles for Zone A. Zone B, another prediction that I think I messed up. I said Camperdown would go on and win all their games and finish with maximum points. They did not. Finishing a bit anticlimactically.
Remaining unbeaten though,
Remain unbeaten,
which is no small feat in the Manning Cup.
for real.
It's
But-
still something to top lad.
So ending the zone with 2 straight draws, it still leaves them atop the zone with 17 points and comfortably coasting through.
Yeah.
Second in that zone, big surprise performance, Tivoli. Applause to them, qualifying automatically to the second round. Big up Tivoli High School. In third place, Excelsior with 12 points. They will be vying for a best third place spot. And to round out that zone with the teams who will not go through, Stats, Jonathan Granson, Jago, Jose Martin, and Dunoon, all in that order.
Yep.
Right? And
Group
then
C.
for Group C, the zone of violation as we done here. Look at Papin's goal difference. Minus 22. Clancarthy's goal difference. Minus 14.
Papin did not score a game in the whole Manning Cup
Score a
season.
goal.
A goal in the whole Manning Cup season.
And Clancarthy managed to score 1, and that was against Papin.
Yeah.
You know, that's how the cookie crumbled for that zone. I saw Clancarthy play. They weren't as bad as it showed. I saw them play Mona. They put on a good performance, but just outclassed.
Better teams in the group.
Yeah.
Coleman, St. Catherine, Mona, and Kingston College are all better teams than Clancarthy.
And then, one thing that I did predict, Kingston College started slowly, but still managed to get the win against Mona High. And I knew that they would go on to win all their games and garner maximum points. And I was spot on. not to make any early predictions, but I think Kingston College's experience with the amount of senior players that they were able to retain, that might be something to watch out.
Alright, I'll make a bold claim. This is not just fandom. I think the Manning Cup title is between 3 teams right now. Kingston College, Jamaica College, and Camperdown. Those are the 3 teams that top the group, but those are 3 well-oiled machines. Think about it. You don't think one of those 3 teams will be the winners of the Manning Cup?
I do think one of those 3 teams will
I say Kingston College.
Yeah,
those are the 3 names.
I do think one of those 3 teams will win the Manning Cup, but I don't think all 3 of those teams are the 3 best teams still in the Manning Cup. I think in Group C, consisting of KC, Mona, and St. Catherine, are all 3 teams that would have done very well in all of the other zones. And I've seen Mona play. Mona are really good team. They have on St. Catherine, who are tied on 10 points with Mona, but Mona with superior goal difference automatically advancing. St. Catherine have to sit and wait to see if they are the best third place team. And to round out that zone, Woolmas, Cloncarty, and Papfield.
And that happened. So let's talk about some of the highlights.
Yeah, well, as I said, as I previously mentioned, JC starting slow. Aja lost, finishing extremely strong, managing to top the zone. You know, Camperdown undefeated, have something to prove. The surprise teams, Mona, Tivoli High, those teams will continue to
stay
fight.
tuned, guys. We will be awarding one of these teams surprise team of the year. Not yet.
Hey, Rush, you realize something though? In each zone, there's a surprise team as a runner.
Every single year.
No,
every single
group.
So
Group A, KT, second year. Group B, Tivoli, and Group C, Mona.
It's a time. I don't know who will award. I don't know my winner for that award yet, but you will be one of those teams.
So themes in the Manning Cup. KC experience proving to pay off. Camperdown undefeated, looking very good. So yeah, guys, that was it for our 3rd week roundup in schoolboy football. Went through all the highlights, went through the teams that they're doing, and a short video, but I think we informed people, managed to keep them updated.
Right, I have some things I want to mention though. Or I want to apologize on behalf of this one. That's Sports TV. We didn't cover the Costa Cup, but a video is coming. We will be talking about the first round of the Da Costa Cup with, I call it one of our brother channels, Military Kuna TV. So stay tuned for that video, guys. Really good video coming, so you guys will be updated on the Da Costa Cup, all of the favorites, all of the the big fixtures and big events that happen. So yeah, look out for that. Don't forget though, like, comment, share, subscribe. Get the numbers up, guys. We really appreciate the support, but we want to push the thing bigger.
Guys, road to 500 subscribers.
And it's happening soon. I got it before December is out.
Yeah, when you guys will watch this, hopefully you'll be at 400.
Yeah.
And you guys just continue to push us. We've been getting brilliant support, more support than we would have imagined, right? People have been, we're at the point where strangers are saying, this or that Sports TV, so guys, continue to help us to live our dream. Please, just subscribe and share, like, comment, talk to us. Tell us who do you have as your favorite surprise team. Tell us who do you have to win the Manning Cup, guys. Just keep commenting, keep interacting with us, guys. And lastly, the maths. I will not leave it out because it's not being done. Yeah. Every single day I ask them to get 5 subscribers for We Rush. And it's not happening. Yes, we are growing, but we need to grow faster. Yep. So here I'm going to tell you. Guys, let me put the cap back with you.
Dog, can I get dog?
Yeah, brother, so let me can see my face. If each one of our subscribers, guys, can garner us 5 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers that would get us by the end of the day? So I'm just doing it. Yo.
Alright, that's it, guys. Manning Cup, first round. Oh.